Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is a quick unboxing of Jeulia's jewelry. So I did pick up a few items after unboxing this beautiful necklace that they had sent to me, and I will have that video linked below of me unboxing this. And I did end up buying two other pieces with my own money, and then my mom ended up gifting me a set for Christmas. So before we get started, this video is not sponsored. I was very appreciative that they sent out this piece of jewelry, but since then I went online, I picked these items up, and I'm doing this unboxing completely on my own just because I do think this jewelry company is amazing. They have the most adorable cocktail rings, necklaces, earrings, and they're all sterling silver and great quality. So I kind of just wanted to come on here and give you guys some Valentine's Day ideas, as well as if you guys want to ask me some questions in the comments below. Let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And then one of the things that I have already unboxed are these Pac-Man earrings. So I did purchase these because I am an 80s baby, a 90s kid, and I grew up with Pac-Man. And when I saw these, I just had to have them. And I will post a picture here so you could get a closer look of this earring set. This one, again, I purchased with my own money, as well as I purchased some studs. Now the studs that I picked up are a little bit bigger than I thought. I should have looked. I thought they were like 2 carats like all together, but I think it's 5 carat 2.5. So it's still really pretty, but almost a little unbelievable that I would own a pair this size. But I did pick up these beautiful stud earrings. They do have a smaller set that I wouldn't mind picking up at a later date, but these are absolutely stunning. And let me go ahead and pull one out, and that's how they sit. And then that's the earring. And these I got on sale for $52. They're always having sales, and currently, because it's Valentine's Day, it looks like they are running a 20% off when you buy 2 or more pieces. So these earrings are regularly $59 and they are on sale for $50. And then the Pac-Man earrings retail for $100, but during the Valentine's Day sale, it looks like they're $85. And then again, if you get 2 pieces, then it would be 20% off the original price. So it looks like it's more like 15% off one item and then 20% off like 2 or more items. Okay, so let's get into what my mom got me. If you saw my other video, they include this in all orders. It's like a bag so that you can, you know, make it look nice. So it came in this little cute Jeulia bag, and she did get me the other set that I wanted, and that is the B set. So this set does come separately, or you could buy it together, and I believe if you buy it together you get more of a savings. I'm into like bees. I know that sounds weird. So she got me the bee ring and then the earrings. Let's go ahead and switch out the earrings, and just so you can see a close-up of the Pac-Man earring. Super cute. And then here's a close-up of the bee earring. The details on these are just beautiful. And then here are the earrings, and my ears are a little red because I was struggling to try and get them on and off. So separately, they each retail for $95. The earrings $95, or the ring for $95, and then they're on sale for $80.75. Or you could just go ahead and get the set for $170, and then it's on sale for $144.50. So you do save a little bit of money on the sale. But they just have a lot of beautiful pieces. Like they have this beautiful penguin ring. I mean, if you know anyone who's into penguins, I mean, that ring is super cute. And then they have like this beautiful mermaid necklace, and it comes in like different colors. I would probably just do the regular silver one, but they do have it where it comes in like a blue or a pink, like the fin is different colors. And then they have this really pretty mermaid one where it's like the mermaids in the band. It's like 2 mermaids and they wrap around like the stone. They just have a lot of unique pieces of jewelry. But when it comes to jewelry, I usually say like Pandora or Alex and Annie, depending on your budget. If you don't have a lot of money and you're just starting out, you could go to Alex and Annie, talk to the reps there. They will walk you through like, what does your girlfriend like? What kind of things is she into? And they can personalize something and you're not going to break the bank. If you've been with your girl a little bit longer, I like Pandora. I like the bangles that they came out with. Those are cute. I've recommended that. If you got a little bit more money, you've been with your girl a little longer, I would say Tiffany. But this is also a great company and you get great quality, and I would say the price point is there. You are getting beautiful, unique pieces. They have like a Jack Skellington line, the new Alice in Wonderland, as well as they have inspired jewelry by like places. They have this beautiful ring that's inspired by the Eiffel Tower, and I'll go ahead and put a picture up of that. So I think it's a great way to give your girlfriend, wife, maybe something that is more their personalities. I just wanted to hop on here because I've discovered Jeulia jewelry and I love them. Definitely something I'm going to be getting more pieces from. That's it. I just wanted to jump on here and do a quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I upload. And until next time, guys, bye.